Hola a todos, soy Mike. En este video vamos a aprender vocabulario, el tema la familia. Hi everybody, this is Mike. In this video we're going to learn vocabulary, the subject family. Okay, so welcome everybody. We're going to learn in this video, we're going to learn vocabulary related to family. So let's start with all of these family members in Spanish. Okay, so we have here pretty much all of the relatives, los parientes, relationships in the family. So we have first the family, la familia, father, padre, dad, which would be a little bit more informal. In Spanish is papá, daddy, papi, mother, madre, mom, mamá, and mommy, mommy. We usually say here in Colombia, we use a lot papá, mamá. Papá, mamá instead of padre, madre. Padre, madre, here we use that as a sign of respect. But we usually call them papá, mamá. Mom, dad. Papá, mamá. Pretty much like that. Mami, papi would be more like a term of endearment, like with a lot of love, right? Now we move to brother, sister, and siblings. Brother, hermano, sister, hermana. Siblings can be both hermanos or hermanas. Now, if we are only brothers, we call hermanos. If we are only sisters, we say hermanas. But if it's siblings, we use hermanos, male, always. Things from Spanish. Some people don't really like the way it works in Spanish with the gender, but nonetheless, that's the way it is. Okay. Uncle, tío. Aunt, tía. Cousin could be both primo and prima, male, female, cousin. Nephew, sobrino. Niece, sobrina. And let's move to the grandparents. The grandparents and the relationships would be grandfather, abuelo, and grandpa. In Spanish, we call that abuelito. Here in Colombia, I don't know if it's the same in other Latin American countries, but at least here in Colombia, when we say grandpa, abuelito, we also say papito. Mi papito, my grandpa. Grandmother would be abuela, and granny, abuelita, or mamita. Same thing. In Colombia, we call mamita to abuelita. Abuelita, mamita. Grandparents would be abuelos, right? Male, even though it's both grandpa and granny, right? The grandson would be el nieto, granddaughter, nieta, grandchildren, nietos, nietas. Doesn't matter. If it's both male and female, we just say nietos. That's pretty much the way it works in Spanish. For the step father would be padrastro, stepmother, madrastra, stepson, hijastro, stepdaughter, hijastra, stepbrother, hermanastro, stepsister, hermanastra, right? And the in-laws would be father-in-law, suegro, mother-in-law, suegra, son-in-law, yerno, daughter-in-law wouldn't be yerna, it's nuera. Funny thing, nuera, daughter-in-law. Brother-in-law, cuñado, and sister-in-law, cuñada. And the godfather, padrino, the godmother, madrina, the godparents, padrinos, the godson, ahijado, the goddaughter, ahijada, and the godchildren, ahijados or ahijadas. And if they are both male and female, we go with ahijado, male, ahijados. So as you can see, those are basic words. This is basic vocabulary. It's kind of easy. A lot of things change the gender, like hermano, hermana, primo, prima, sobrino, sobrina, abuelo, abuela, hijastro, hijastra, hermanastro, hermanastra. Let's say in the case of the stepfather, stepmother, the ending astro, astra makes the difference. And the idea, of course, is for you to practice this. So, start using these words on your daily practice, in your daily practice, I mean. Start using these words. It doesn't matter if you're going to say the word in Spanish while you're speaking in English. You may sound a little weird, but nonetheless, you're practicing. So let's say, oh, I'm going to call my papa. Oh, I was talking to my hermano and blah, blah, blah. That way, in order to use the word, to associate the word and be to have more exposure to it. So remember, vocabulary, we learn vocabulary by repetition, but also association and exposure. So go ahead and study these words, and hopefully you're gonna learn the vocabulary really fast. Okay, so I hope you have understood everything. The words, the pronunciation is pretty much easy, very similar to the words in English. So your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to start practicing this. You need to practice the name of the words of the different members of the family in context. So let's try to do that on a daily basis. Let's start with some words first. Let's say with mom, dad, sister, brother first in Spanish, of course, during your daily practice. And once you get a hold on those or get a grasp on those words first, then move to different members of the family and so on until you get a full understanding and your skills with these words. Remember, this is a matter of practicing, repeating, and exposing to the language. So I hope this is going to be helpful for you in your process, and looking forward to seeing you in a future video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, you know what to do. Please share with your friends, groups, and social media. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel for updates on the new videos that we're posting on a weekly basis. So keep on learning, keep on watching the videos, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.